Yesterday, I introduced this indicator to you and I told you there is some features that were not currently present simply because the market was closed. And so I waited today when the market opened, and basically, of course, I really had to test this indicator. And so guys, I used my own knowledge and I made $780 within few minutes, and definitely I will show you what I really paid attention to. And as well, I'm going to show you the features that were not present when the market was closed and they are currently present. And there is things I also paid attention to, and as well there is things I really saw when this market was spinning and how this market was reacting. So guys, maybe this is the first video you're watching about this indicator. I've done another video regarding this indicator, and so in this video I'm going to show you how I use this indicator to make such amount of money, and as well I'm going to show you features that are currently here that I did not show you yesterday, and as well I'm going to show you what I really noticed about this indicator. So guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you came across my channel. Welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and I know this is where you belong. So guys, the indicator is already on my chart and I'm using 5 minutes time frame. And to those maybe they have seen this video for the first time, you're just going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type day trading booster. Once you type day trading booster, select this one, day trading booster by DGT. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it appears right on your chart. It's a very free indicator, and the only thing you need is a Tradingview account. So guys, there is some features that were not present yesterday and they are currently available right now. You're just going to click on settings right here. Once you click on settings, you're just going to activate the volume, way, average price, the VWAP. Make sure it is active, or rather it is ticked. Then once you've done like that, definitely this is how it appears right on your chart. So this is the VWAP that we are basically talking about. These 3 lines you can see right here. And as well, once you insert the indicator, make sure that you minimize your chart so that your graphical presentation will be seen, simply because this shows us the volume traded in the market. And let me tell you guys, I've really noticed something about this graph over here, and as you can see right here, we have this thing that is kind of an arrow like, and let me tell you, when you click on it with your cursor, once you click on it, it's telling you that the trading volume is typically high and it currently shows you an active session. So it's telling you the Tokyo session, Hong Kong, Shanghai and Singapore is currently closed. So for now we have London session that is currently running, and let me tell you, it is showing you all this. So when it tells you that the trading volume is typically high, that simply means the market cannot really range, the market can really trend, okay? And basically you can see the market is really pushing to the upside. So let me tell you another thing I noted about this VWAP over here, and as you can see right here, price is above our VWAP, and according to me that will probably signify a really push to the upside, okay? And when price, whenever it was approaching the first or the upper line of the VWAP, it was really being rejected and the market was really pushing to the upside. That's the one thing I really noted, okay? And another thing I noted about these pivot points right here, they're working, but as you can see right here, we have different colors. We have white color and we have blue color. So when you click on this blue color right here, it is telling you this is a temporary pivot low, and remember, on lows we look for buying opportunity, and it's actually giving you a warning that subject to repaint, not a confirmed a pivot level or a signal. So whenever you will see this kind of a thing, you must know that has a probability to be broken above or to be broken below. And let me tell you, you will see price also reacting to that level, okay? So what are you really supposed to do? What I did so that I can execute my trades using these, I really saw this one and I said, oh yeah, it is a low right here. And for me, simply because I'm much experienced in the industry, I said I'm really going to look for my buying opportunity. And as well, there was these channels right here that were highlighted over here. You can see right here. So when price broke above the channel, let me tell you, I executed my order right away from this zone over here up to this zone over here. That's when I exited my trades. I haven't really executed trades after a retest, nor I haven't, but I hope most of you executed trades after a retest. And as you can see guys, the market was really reacting to this channel over here, and it was actually closing above, and the market really pushed up to this level over here. So when you see the volume traded are actually high, high, you can consider taking trades. And as well, you can watch price when it is reacting to the VWAP, maybe above the VWAP, execute your order, and when price is below the VWAP, you can execute your sell order. So those are things I really consider. The channels, the channel breakouts, I consider the pivot points, and as well I considered the trading volume, simply because it was telling me it's actually high. And let me tell you, this one is working on real time. It is not repainting. The only thing we can wait to repaint is these pivot points right here, and you have already been given solutions, so you cannot really lose money simply because you have things to really consider too, like the VWAP and the channel breakouts right here. It is working perfectly well. And remember, I do test my trades on live market. I don't backtest, but let me tell you, it's working on real time. I really love it, and it's not repainting as well. Talk about this graphical presentation right here, showing us like the volume is typically high. So earlier on, okay, it had told me, because I was watching around this zone, that the volume traded right there, it was medium. And it's true, the market was not really moving well, but when it was high, I started seeing momentum, and that's what gave me confidence to really execute trades. Okay, so guys, I've shown you the features that this indicator never had. In fact, they were there, but you couldn't have seen like this arrow right here, and as well, you didn't have seen how the market was reacting to the VWAP. It is working perfectly well. I really love it, and the owner of this indicator has done a very perfect job. Okay, I will continue testing this strategy. I will continue looking at this indicator and coming up with more and more strategies. Okay, so guys, this indicator helps you create your own strategy, and as well, it can help you really know the active times you're supposed to be in the market, simply because when the market is not moving, it will tell you there is a medium volume traded or low volume traded. But when there is high volume traded, let me tell you, the market is actually moving very well. This is an added advantage to you, especially those people who trade sessions, especially those people who understand the VWAP, those people who trade the channels. You can see it's giving us a warning that there can be a repaint. You can see right here, it's giving us also there can be a repaint because it's not a confirmed a pivot level. A confirmed pivot level is in white color. Okay, and you can see it's telling you this is a pivot high, and there is no warning as well, and the market really dropped. But when it comes to VWAP right here, you must make sure the price is actually above your VWAP. Okay, so guys, I hope you've learned something from the indicator. I've tested it with live market, and as you can see, I was able to make that amount of money. Okay, so guys, continue testing this on your side, continue doing this on live market, trying this on the live market, and you can pay attention to what I've told you. Remember to like this video, remember to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell. Another thing I want to tell you is that don't really consider looking at this box over here. This box tends to really keep on changing, simply because we come from different continents. You can see right here it's saying that the London sessions is currently closed, but according to me, it's currently running. So guys, you cannot really consider this table right here because of the time zones. It can actually confuse you, but really consider this graphical presentation is working well. The VWAP is working perfectly well, and as well, these channels over here, you can use the breakout of the channel, and it's working perfectly well. Okay, so guys, that's all I really had to put across. Thank you so much for watching. Like, turn on your notification. Bye, see you in my next video. Success in everything you do. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Bye guys.